Continue.
Hello, Bernard. I hope you heard me, and I want to meet you someday in person when you have a vacation there in the Philippines. You're welcome to our family, and you're so very happy to meet you there, and I'm so very grateful for your goodness that you have shared it to me. Thank you for your love and cares to everyone, especially to me, to Charlotte, that you're dear ones. My sister is also very good and loving to our family. And thank you for your understanding and your support. I hope you understand my English, and I'm not so much fun to speak more English fluently because I'm not so always talking of English uh, speaking. So I hope you understand my English. Thank you for your support.
Sakyan na pa. Tingnan nga.